Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNET Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about three-dimensional aids. These are the non-projected aids. Objects, specimens, models, MOLAC, mock-ups, diagrams. See, these all are the three-dimensional aids. But today, first we are going to discuss about objects. Now the objects are the real things which we took from the environment, which we brought into the classroom, which make a learning more easy. Now, for example, you think that I am describing something about ATM card. See, you can make use of ATM card, you can withdraw the money, you can make some transactions, you can do a shopping. See, many things I'm telling about ATM. It may not give a better idea to you. But if I get the ATM card to you in the class, then that means I am giving information about the real things which I brought from the environment. See, this is the way where I'm showing you and I'm teaching you. That is what called objects. Now the sources of object, from where you will get. We may get it from market, from houses, factories, some stores. See, this is the way we are able to gather the objects. Now the use of objects. Now how to use? See, when I prepare an object, I need to present the object in the class. Care must be taken while handling the object so that there is no much damage. Objects which improve the learning process of the student. Object which also help to bring reality in a classroom. See, something real. See, this is a real ATM which I brought into this classroom so that students can get the touch and feel feelings. They feel it's comfortable to learn the things. They will have a better understanding. See, that's what called objects. Now, the advantage of object is it helps the students to learn in a better way, increase the interest of students. Students are motivated to see what ma'am has brought in the class, what is that object is. Motivated interest, understanding, all the 5 sense organs are used to learn the topic. So definitely students will have a better understanding. Next is the disadvantage. Definitely time consuming. If I would like to take any class tomorrow, I need to make a lot of preparation. I need to gather the objects. That will be difficult. Sometimes preservation object may not be that easy. Damage can occur in the classroom when students are handling the objects. So these all are the disadvantage what we can see with objects. So we discussed about object. Next is a specimen. Now specimen, you might have known, it's the real things what we are preserving and preparing. See, in your lower classes, higher primary, your PU, higher secondary, you might have come across these specimens, like a specimen of a heart, a specimen of a kidney, which is preserved in the bottle with the formalin solution. See, this is what called a specimens, which we are taking a real item from the nature and we are preserving for a long time so that we are able to make use of it. See, this is what called a specimen. Now a care must be taken when we are handling the specimen, because see, definitely some may be a very rare specimens which may not be so easily available. In that case, we must take care of that particular specimen. It may not be lost or damaged. Also, you must see that you should plan your class that what topic you are going to take. When the teacher is planned, she can try to get the specimen related content topic specimen to the class. Ask the question. Before you start the class, introduce the specimen, ask some question to the class so that teacher is able to identify what's the knowledge level that particular class have got. Whether they really whether they know about anything, any information they have about the class. See, such information teacher will get, then teacher can make her class more simple, more easy, and she can bring it to the matter to the level of student understanding. Definitely, students feel much better when they really see the things. See, if I would like to speak something about heart, I can't take my heart out, right? See, definitely, when you really brought this heart specimen, not only you, all the students feel much interested to have a look into the heart, section of lungs, any kidney, then definitely they feel much better. So this is what called a specimen is. Now definitely we get all the specimen from the nature, but thing is that we need to preserve it, we need to prepare it exactly as per the procedure, then only we can keep it for a long time. Then the advantage of a specimen, definitely it improve the interest in students, arousal of interest, so that a teacher can catch the attention for another 40 minutes, improve the level of learning, teaching process will be easy. Teacher can maintain a continuity in a teaching process. With the help of specimen, she can start the topic, she can explain very easily. Then definitely students are motivated because some things are present in front of them. Also, students can make use of all their five sense organs to learn the subjects. Definitely, students will have a better understanding and memorization. Now, what's the disadvantages? Very expensive, and maintenance will be difficult, as well as time consuming, and sometimes for all the topic you cannot get the specimen, then that will be quite difficult. So a teacher cannot depend on the specimens to take or start the class, because for all the topic arranging of specimen, that will be quite difficult. I hope you understood. We discussed about a specimen. So dear students, we learned about objects and specimens. I hope you understood, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.